What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Today we're gonna rip a few packs and talk about Mariners playoff baseball. Uh, as of recording, it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday, October 14th, and in just a few hours we're getting ready to go to Seattle in hopes of going to the game tomorrow. We don't have tickets right now, and we have a budget that we're going to try to stick to, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to pick up some pretty cool tickets. We got a ton of packs to open here, so I thought talk about a little bit of that with everybody while we rips through these packs, huh? So Yordan Alvarez, I'm seeing in my nightmares. This Mariner killer, my God. Hopefully they completely avoid pitching to him tomorrow and the rest of the series, should it go past tomorrow. But I don't know, guys. Seattle's going to be electric tomorrow night in T-Mobile. What do you guys think? You guys think the Mariners got a chance here still? Hey, yo, we got a diamond in a gold pack. Let's go. Oh, God. Not right now. Not right now. All right, let's rip through these show packs, huh? We just had some content drop out here. The postseason program, we've got a card from each of the losing teams in the wild card round. The Teoscar Hernandez, probably going to be pretty nasty. He's the only 99 of the group. Do me a favor, guys. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate the help. And definitely hit the like button down below. It helps out in the old algorithm. Now I'm going to try to go live tomorrow from Seattle at some point, but using my camera phone is not really my thing, never has been. So it's going to be a little bit of work for me to do that, but I'm going to try to bring you guys a little bit of the live atmosphere from in and around outside of T-Mobile. We have a whole bunch of those chase packs when they were given bonus chase packs for buying a 50 bundle. So I did spend a few steps so we'd have some fun content to open some cards here. I finished September monthly award, and I am about 325,000 XP in this program, and I ran out to like 30 wins in the last couple events, so I've got some packs built up here. So tomorrow's matchup in the Mariner game is George Kirby versus Lance McCullers Jr. I'm looking at a 2.27 ERA and 50 Ks for McCullers, and a 3.39 ERA with 133 Ks for George Kirby. I don't know, man. I feel it. I feel like we're gonna get one tomorrow. T-Mobile's gonna be electric, though. Oh, looks like we got a little electricity here too. Oh God. Oh, at least it's not Yorda. Nightmares, nightmares, I tell you. All I'm pulling the goddamn Astros. Hey, we got another. No more Astros. Is the game trying to tell me something? Don't get your hopes up this weekend, pal, is what the game's trying to tell us. Oh my god. We've got 3 diamonds so far, and they're all Astros. Alright. Almost to the last of these, then we'll get through the ballin' as a habit and some headliners. Then we'll start opening some fun choice packs. All right, let's go get these headliners. Matt Carpenter. Donnie Baseball. When I was in 4th grade, Don Mattingly was playing for the Yankees. This was like in probably 93, 94, 95, somewhere in there, maybe 96. Anyway, we went over to Seattle with some friends when I was young to go to the Mariners-Yankees series. My dad's a big Yankee fan. We're big Mariner fans. And the hotel we were staying at was the same place the Yankees were staying at. My parents were down in the bar having a drink with the friends, and Don Mattingly stepped on my mom's foot on the dance floor. Pretty funny. Clayton Kershaw. All right. Ryan Howard one here. Whole bunch of Wainwright. Come on, Wayno. Be there. All right, Francisco Alvarez. Has anybody been using the supercharged cards? Comment down below who's been your supercharged favorite card over the last week. I am doing absurd things with that Trey Turner card. Full stop. I had a game where I hit 2 490-foot-plus bombs with him in an event yesterday. More purple lights. Oh, thank God it's not an Astro. Andres Jimenez. Jason Giambi still. So the last time the Mariners were in the playoffs 21 years ago, I was a senior in high school. No, junior. Anyway, we just celebrated my 20-year class reunion this past summer. And it's 21 years. So I was in high school last time. We need another dub. But I will say this, with as sad as I am about the outcome of these 2 games in Houston, Seattle has played incredibly well. And, there's not... Hey-oh, that's some nice money there. I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm happy with their performance. And we're talking a couple of different spots where if something was just different by a couple of inches, like Kelnick missed a home run by a half an inch on the barrel in the 8th inning in the game on Thursday. So just a couple things like that. That double play ball in the 9th inning, right? With Frazier on first base. So these little things that just unlucky, right? And that's just baseball. So hopefully a few of the things can go our way. The baseball gods can, shine a light on this dog's ass, and we can get lucky and play a couple more games, huh? All right. Let's open these. Balling out of control. Balling is a habit here. I'm going to fast forward through this. Wow, some bad luck. All right. Got these home run derbies, these new ones out here. Hey-oh. Pretty cards. We'll go get Griffey, just cause. All right. Big dog. Nothing. Jack Leiter, you're worth the most. Big dog. Nope. Jack Leiter. So. Hey, we got a rare round. Not worth much, but we got it. Take John Franco. Always intense now. Some more rare base round. All right, we got an all-star game. Got the mid-round. Derby? Come on now. Nope. All right, 5 Tool. 14th Eloy. Ellie De La Cruz. All right. We're going to leave the events alone for right now. Go with these headliner choice packs. All right, we got a New Jersey. Darn. Georgia it is. Dang it. Come on, headliner choice pack. 2 more. Well, we're going with that Rockies. Man. Getting burned here. Come on, 1 more. Let's hit a round of diamonds. Dang it. All right, what do we got next? Let's open these right here. We need Seth Brown and Simeon. These are non-sellable. Perfect. Last one I don't have. Blake Snell. This card sucks. I got shelled. Shelled with Snell. All right, we got 5 juicy set ones. All right. Nope. Let's keep taking catfishes. Come on, 3 more. Damn. We're going catfishing, apparently. Hey, there we go. Take grabbing. All right. Juicy set 2. We got 4 of. These are still worth something. Oh, Kiner. Dang. Kiner. 2 more. Kiner. Damn. Oh, it was worth a lot more if we would have got the rare round. All right. We've already got Babe, Sale, Griffey, Vladdy, Mauer, and Eck. So we still need Fox, Gibby, and Francisco Lindor. I'm going to take Gibby. All right, let's start opening all these fun ones. Start with balling out of control. Hey, good start. Hey, real good start. Let's go. Who we got? Scherzer? Scherzer? Let's go, Scherzer. That's the most expensive card in the game. Oh. My boy Edwin Diaz, but dang it. That's 290 plus cards that we've pulled today, and both of them were basically at their quick sell. Two more. All right. Chase pack set 1. Oops, I quick flipped fucking Jordan. Oh, another. I had to know he was coming today. Jordan, nightmares. Set 2. This one's got Delgado in it. Dang, that was cold. This one's got Nolan in it. Nolan's still worth a lot. Hey-o. Let's go. George. All right, another shot at Nolan Ryan. Nope. Pete Crow Armstrong. 3 more. Let's go. Oh, purple diamonds. Alec Manoah. See a diamond? There he is. 2 more set 3s. Siegs. Oh, Justin Foskey. Okay. I'm excited to be using this card in BR the rest of the year. Last one. Come on, Nolan Ryan. Another 95. Getting lots of diamonds. All right, and the last one can have Ernie Banks. So we got 4 of these guys. Come on, beat Trout or Shohei. Shohei! Let's go! Nice. 3 more. Purple lights. Probably an Astro. Oh my God. Christian Javier. 2 more. I never pulled one of the Chase Pat cards. Did we just get Nolan? Did we break our spell? No, we got another Verlander. Oh God, more Astros. Probably an Astro. Probably an Astro in this one. I mean, because who would it be other than an Astro? Oh, they're gonna do a Ray this time. All right, guys. Well, we are getting ready to get out of here. I'm going to get this video posted and probably play a couple event games and wait for Mrs. Slim to be done with work and Parker to wake up from his nap, and we're going to hit the road to Seattle. It's about a 3.5-hour drive for us. So hopefully I will do a little live from Seattle, but we'll see what happens, guys. If you waited around this long, again, please hit that like button and have a great day, guys.